In this video, we will compare Pabbly and N8N. Are both powerful platforms, however, they serve slightly different purposes. Pabbly is an all-in-one automation tool with a strong focus on email marketing, form building and subscription billing. It offers a user-friendly interface with pre-built integrations and workflows, making it ideal for small businesses and marketers who are looking for simplicity and ease of use. On the other hand, N8N is an open source automation platform that emphasizes customization and flexibility, providing users with the visual workflow editor to create a complex automation between various apps. N8N is more suitable for developers and teams that require custom workflows and advanced functionality, as it offers complete control over integration and can be self-hosted, while Pabbly is more out-of-the-box solution for straightforward tasks. N8N excels in high level of customization for more technical cases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.